We've looked at the idea of putting links inside your website and how it can help you in the search ranking. Placing links within paragraphs of text is a good thing, but let's take a very quick look at an additional technique to get links into your site, using what I call link blocks. Essentially, these are blocks of links, normally near the bottom of your web pages, and perhaps on every page throughout your site. Here are a few examples. This is a very common technique, and there's no need to be scared of it. People often think that it's somehow cheating, but if search engines penalized every site for doing this, half the sites on the web would be dropped. Don't overdo it, though. The last of these may be borderline, or perhaps even over the line. Of course, you'll want to put links to your important optimized web pages, and you'll want the link anchor text to match or closely match the terms for which the pages are optimized. You don't have to use the same block of links throughout. You might also have a few variations, perhaps one block for each area of the site or product category.